Imagine lounging on the sun-kissed beaches of Cancun, the turquoise waves kissing your feet, without the worry of breaking the bank. Sounds like a traveler's dream, right? Cancun, a city famed for its vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches and luxurious resorts, also holds a treasure trove of budget-friendly gems waiting to be discovered by the frugal traveler. This guide is your golden ticket to exploring Cancun without sacrificing the quintessential elements that make it a paradise. Cancun is not just a destination for the rich and famous, it's a playground for any savvy traveler with a knack for adventure and a little planning. Contrary to popular belief, a trip here doesn't have to drain your savings. From the cobalt blue of the Caribbean Sea to the lush greenery of its eco-parks, Cancun offers a spectrum of experiences that can be tailored to any budget. This guide will debunk the myth of Cancun as merely a luxury destination. In the coming sections, we'll explore how to enjoy the richness of Cancun's culture, cuisine, and natural beauty without spending a fortune. Timing is everything, especially when traveling on a budget. Cancun's peak tourist season runs from December to April. To avoid high prices and crowded beaches, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, May to November. During these months, you can enjoy moderate weather, fewer tourists, and lower prices on accommodations and activities. Plus, late spring and early fall are great times to witness some of Cancun's stunning natural phenomena, like sea turtle nesting. Remember, a well-timed visit can make all the difference in enhancing your experience while keeping costs low. Where you stay in Cancun can significantly impact your budget. Fortunately, Cancun offers a variety of options that won't break the bank. From cozy hostels to budget hotels, the choices are plentiful. Hostel Natura, known for its friendly atmosphere and prime location near the beach, it offers beds as low as $15 a night. Hotel El Pueblito, this hotel offers comfort and convenience, with rooms starting at $35 a night, including amenities like Wi-Fi and breakfast. Booking tips. Use comparison websites, book in advance, and consider staying a little outside the main hotel zone for even better deals. Cancun's culinary scene is a vibrant mix of flavors that doesn't have to cost a fortune. Local markets and street food stalls are your best bet for experiencing authentic and affordable Mexican cuisine. Is a bustling market where you can indulge in tacos, tamales, and quesadillas for just a few pesos. Another gem is a diner that offers hearty local dishes at low prices. A meal here can cost less than $5 but is rich in taste and authenticity. To save further, steer clear of tourist-heavy areas when dining. Opt for where the locals eat. Not only is it cheaper, it's often tastier. Also, consider self-catering if your accommodation allows. Local markets are abundant with fresh, affordable produce. Navigating Cancun affordably is easier than you might think. The city boasts a robust bus system, and taxis are plentiful, though it's wise to agree on a fare before riding. For budget travelers, buses are the way to go. A single journey can cost as little as $1, covering routes both within the city and to surrounding areas. If you're planning on extensive travel around the region, consider renting a car. Companies offer vehicles from as low as $20 per day. Another tip is to use rideshare apps like Uber, which can be cheaper and more transparent in pricing compared to traditional taxis. Cancun is not all about high-ticket attractions. There are plenty of free or inexpensive activities that offer a rich experience of the city and its surroundings. The beaches, of course, are free and are some of the best in the world. It is not only beautiful, but also less crowded than its counterparts. For a dose of culture, visit the admission is just $3. Don't miss the local markets such as where you can soak in local culture without spending a penny. For nature lovers, the offers a breathtaking day out with minimal entry fees. Exploring beyond Cancun can be rewarding and affordable. Consider these budget-friendly excursions. Isla Mujeres is just a short ferry ride away, offering pristine beaches and a slower pace of life, with round-trip ferry tickets costing about $15. The natural swimming holes known as cenotes are scattered around the Yucatan Peninsula. Day trips to cenotes like Cenote Iquil or Cenote Azul can cost as little as $30, including transportation. When booking excursions, it's wise to compare prices between tour operators and check if it's cheaper to visit independently. Cancun's nightlife is legendary, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Avoid high-end clubs and opt for local bars and smaller venues. La Taberna is a great choice for a lively atmosphere without the hefty price tag. They offer affordable drinks and often have live music. Another option is Los de Guanatos, known for its budget-friendly cocktails and vibrant local crowd. Also, keep an eye out for happy hour deals, which are common in many bars around the city, allowing you to enjoy a night out for less. Shopping in Cancun doesn't mean you have to splurge in expensive boutiques. Local markets and smaller shops offer plenty of souvenirs at reasonable prices. Mercado 28 offers a wide range of goods from handmade crafts to silver jewelry at negotiable prices. Always remember to bargain. It's expected and can be a fun way to interact with local vendors. For unique and affordable gifts, consider local art or Yucatan hammocks, both of which support local artisans and won't overload your budget. While Cancun is generally safe for tourists, staying vigilant is essential. Stick to well-lit, populated areas, especially at night. Keep your belongings secure and be wary of overly friendly strangers offering unsolicited help or tours. In case of emergency, know the contact details of your country's consulate and keep a copy of important documents in a safe place. Using common sense will go a long way in ensuring your stay is not only enjoyable, but also safe. Engaging with the local community can enrich your travel experience significantly. Use basic Spanish phrases to show respect and willingness to engage. It's appreciated and often reciprocated with genuine warmth. Attend local events or festivals, which are often free or low cost. This not only gives a deeper insight into Cancun's culture but also provides opportunities to mingle with locals. Consider using platforms like couchsurfing not just for accommodation, but also for meeting locals who are keen to show you around. Traveling sustainably is crucial in preserving the beauty and culture of destinations like Cancun. Opt for eco-friendly tours and activities that contribute to the conservation of the environment. Reduce your plastic usage by carrying a reusable water bottle and shopping bags. Also, choose to support local businesses that adopt sustainable practices. By being a responsible traveler, you ensure that the wonders of Cancun can be enjoyed for generations to come. To wrap up, experiencing Cancun on a budget is entirely feasible with a bit of planning and smart choices. From affordable accommodations and local dining to free beaches and cheap excursions, your budget-friendly adventure awaits. Before you go, remember to book your stay and transport in advance. Keep a list of budget-friendly restaurants and attractions. Always have local emergency numbers handy. Engage respectfully with the local culture and environment. Cancun is ready to welcome you without costing a fortune. Pack your bags and prepare for an unforgettable adventure. Have you ever visited Cancun on a budget? What were your favorite cost-saving tips? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.